guys! Welcome back to Maine Cooks. For today, magluluto tayo ng all-time favorite Filipino dish, beef caldereta. Talagang nagmamantika sa sarap ang version na ito. Let's start! Ang first step, ipapan fry muna natin ang patatas, carrots, and bell pepper. Reason kung bakit ipapan-fry muna ang gulay is to keep them in shape and para hindi maglasog-lasog kapag pinakuluan na. So guys, ang twist sa kaldereta ko is nilalagyan ko ito ng atsuete oil. The reason kung bakit nilalagyan ko ng atsuete oil is to provide color sa ating beef caldereta and it adds flavor din. Add the beef and sear to maximize the flavor. Pakukuluan lang natin ang beef hanggang lumambot ito to perfection. Wow! Luto na ang ating beef caldereta a la Maine Cooks. Perfect ito for lunch, dinner, and special occasions. Try nyo na itong recipe guys and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching Maine Cooks. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell for more exciting recipes.